All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the helmet winner's choice, which was with the two Cephas helmets, the Dane helmet, and the Jordy Eclipse Mini. So we'll check the time, July 23rd at 9:21 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 23rd at 9:21 p.m. There is the list of our 18 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. Did I do all those wrong? Okay, so we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Trey. Spot 9 is your winner. So Trey, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 23rd, 9:21 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.